No doubt, your liver is one of the vital organs of your body that takes care of your overall health. It has a major role in several metabolic processes and helps remove toxins, break down nutrients, and produce bile. But what will happen if it gets damaged or fats start depositing on your liver? You will experience the deadliest symptoms of liver disease that may be fatal if ignored for a long time. Well, liver disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. It has affected almost 1.5 billion global population. Fatty liver disease is also one of the prevalent liver diseases that may be scary if not treated during its initial stage. In today's video, I will discuss the top 5 vitamins that will help reverse your fatty liver, especially if you have a non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. A fatty liver is a condition of your liver when too much fats start building up in your liver. It can be caused by alcohol intake, poor diet, obesity, and insulin resistance. Fatty liver disease has mainly two types. 1. Alcoholic fatty liver disease is caused by excessive consumption of alcohol, and 2. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is caused by obesity, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. If fatty liver remains untreated, it would develop more scarring, leading to liver cirrhosis or permanent liver damage. But you can manage your fatty liver condition at its initial stage with just 5 simple vitamins. The first is vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Some studies indicate that vitamin E can significantly improve liver function in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. You can boost your vitamin E intake with almonds, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, avocados, and broccoli. Now, let's come to our next vitamin, sunshine vitamin or vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency is very common among individuals with fatty liver disease. It helps reduce inflammation and fat accumulation and regulates insulin levels. You can have safe sun exposure for 20 minutes daily or fulfill the deficiency with vitamin D supplements after consulting with your healthcare provider. The third is your immunity-boosting vitamin, vitamin C, which is also important for your liver health. It may help protect the liver from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Vitamin C helps break down fats and prevents fat buildup in the liver. Make sure that you do not overdose on vitamin C and try to fulfill your requirements with dietary intake. You can consume citrus fruits like oranges and grapes, strawberries, rose hips, kiwis, and Brussels sprouts. Vitamin B12 is responsible for healthy red blood cells, but it also has a major role in liver disease. It is crucial for energy metabolism and reducing liver fat. A deficiency in B12 can lead to raised levels of homocysteine, which is associated with liver damage. To maintain an optimal level of vitamin B12, you can consume low-fat milk, fortified cereals, fortified plant-based milk, and vitamin B12 supplements. The fifth and last one is vitamin A. Vitamin A helps fatty liver by regulating fat metabolism in the liver, preventing excessive fat deposition, and reducing inflammation through its active form, retinoic acid. You can consume carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, apricots, broccoli, papaya, and low-fat milk. But remember, moderation is the key. Excess vitamin A can be toxic to your liver. Well, these 5 vitamins will take care of your liver and help your liver to recover alongside treatment. The liver can regenerate itself, and holistic treatment can do wonders in this process. If you have any questions related to liver disease or homeopathic treatment, you can call us on our number and talk to us today.